Hello dear students, I welcome all of you in lecture 9 of Topology of Metric Spaces, Unit 1st Metric Spaces. In last lecture, we study definition of open ball and solve 3 problems on different types of set and 3 different type of metric. In today's lecture, we solve some more problem on open ball. How to define and obtain open ball of given set and given metric. Open ball let order pair HD be a metric space let small p belong to set X and small r greater than 0, then the open ball center at P and radius R denoted by capital B suffix D. D is metric space in circular bracket point P and radius R. B in bracket PR or simply B in bracket PR. Open ball about point P with radius R is defined as open ball about point P with radius R with respect to matrix D is equal to set of small x belong to capital X, set of points x in X, such that dxp is less than R. This is definition of open ball with respect to matrix D and set X. Okay. Examples. Fourth example, let x is equal to set R2 is equal to R cross R and D is equal to supremum metric then find open ball about P with respect to with radius R with respect to supremum metric D. Okay. Solution. Let x is equal to R2 is equal to R cross R and D is equal to supremum metric. Therefore, for xy belong to capital X is equal to here, which is R2, distance between x and y, this is supremum metric defined on R2 is the distance between x and y is equal to maximum of set modulus of x1 minus y1 and modulus of x2 minus y2 which is less than R. Okay, which is okay, this is only we want definition of supremum matrix. Okay, this is supremum matrix. Since x is equal to order pair x1 x2 and y is equal to order pair y1 y2 is point in R2. Okay, therefore supremum metric is dxy is equal to maximum of mod x1 minus y1 mod x2 minus y2. Okay, now we have to find here, we have to find open ball about P with radius R with respect to supremum metric. Okay. Therefore, open ball about P with radius R is equal to set of x belong to R2 such that distance between x and P is less than R. This is definition of open ball in metric space. Okay. Continue. Open ball about point P with radius R is equal to set of x belong to R2 such that distance between x and P is less than R. Okay, this is equal to set x1 x2 belong to R2 order pair x1 x2 belong to R2 such that maximum of, by definition of supremum metric, maximum of modulus of x1 minus p1 comma modulus of x2 minus p2 is less than R. Set complete. Okay. Since x is equal to R2, this implies that x is equal to order pair x1 x2 and p is equal to point p1 p2. Okay. Note that there are two possibilities. Either modulus of x1 minus p1 is maximum. Therefore, mod x1 minus p1 is less than r. Or mod of x2 minus p2 is maximum, then mod x2 minus p2 is less than r. These are two possibility arises, which gives rise to four equations of boundaries of open ball about P with radius R, which are as follows. If mod x1 minus p1 is less than r, then first x1 minus p1 is equal to r implies that x1 is equal to p1 plus r. Second, minus x1 plus p1 is equal to r implies that x1 is equal to p1 minus r. If mod x2 minus p2 is less than r, then we get third equation. x2 minus p2 is equal to r implies that x2 is equal to p2 plus r, and fourth equation is minus x2 plus p2 is equal to r implies that x2 is equal to p2 minus r. These are the four equations given by two possibilities. We can see that equation first and second represent straight line parallel to y-axis and equations third and fourth represent straight lines parallel to x-axis. Therefore, open ball about P with radius R is in fact a rectangle. Draw figure okay, this is the xy axis. This is x axis, also use here word. Okay, sorry. We draw one figure which represent our open ball. Here is y-axis. Okay, this is y-axis. Next we draw our four equations by using which is rectangle. Okay, these four lines represent our point is here is point P. Okay, point P1, P2, and there are four equations. X is equal to, this is equation green, use green pen. This is X is equal to, okay, x1 is equal to P1 minus R. This equation x is equal to P1 plus R. This is equation x2 is equal to p2 plus r. This is x2 is equal to p2 minus r. These are the our open wall is in between this rectangle. I denoted it by shaded region by this yellow color. This is our open wall. Okay, this is our open area of open ball lies between these four lines, that is in rectangle. Okay. If modulus of x2 minus p r less than r, then we get third equation x2 minus p2 is equal to r. Implies that x2 is equal to p2 plus r. And fourth equation is minus x2 plus p2 is equal to r. Implies that x2 is equal to p2 minus r. We can see that equation first and second represent straight lines parallel to y-axis, and equation third and fourth represent straight lines parallel to x-axis. Therefore, open ball about point P with radius r is in fact a rectangle. We draw figure like this, which is rectangle. Now our next problem, fifth problem, example 5. Let x be a x be any non-empty set and d be the discrete metric let x be any non-empty set and d be the discrete metric where d of xy is equal to 0 if x is equal to y and 1 if x not equal to y. For xy belong to x. Then find open ball about P with radius r with respect to discrete metric. Solution. Given X is a non-empty set and D is discrete metric, define as above. Define as dxy is equal to 0 if x is equal to y is equal to 1 if x not equal to y. We have to find open ball about P with radius R with respect to given discrete metric. Okay. Let 0 less than r less than 1 and p belong to x, then by definition of open ball about p with radius r is equal to set of x belong to x such that distance between px is less than r. Distance between xp is less than r. Okay. Since our r is in between 0 and 1, then we get singleton set which is point P. Point P is open ball with respect to discrete metric space. Okay, singleton set P is the only open ball with respect to discrete metric space. As the only values taken by dxy is equal to 0 or 1. If our r radius is greater than 1, then and p belong to x, then open ball about p with radius r is equal to set of x belong to x such that distance between x and p is less than r. If radius r is greater than 1, then we get every point of set x as an open ball is equal to capital X whole set x, as every pair of points order pair xy in x, capital X, are at a distance 1, are at a distance 1 if x not equal to y. Every point in capital X has distance 1 if these points are distinct. Thus, In a discrete metric space, open balls are either singleton set or whole set X. This is the solution. Okay, you got it? Now we see one more example. Sixth example. Example 6. Let capital X is equal to R2 is equal to R cross R for small x is equal to order pair x1 comma x2, y is equal to order pair y1 comma y2 belong to R2. Define D is mapping from x cross x to set R, set of reals, by dxy is equal to under root nine into x1 minus y1 bracket square plus 16 into in bracket x2 minus y2 bracket square find open ball about point 0 0 with radius y. This is the problem. Okay, let x is R2 and for x is equal to order pair x1 x2, y is equal to order pair y1 y2 belong to R2. Define these mapping from x cross x to reals by dxy is equal to root 9 into bracket x1 minus y1 square plus 16 into bracket x2 minus y2 bracket square. Find open ball B about point 0 0, that is origin, with radius 1. Solution. By definition of open ball, by definition of by definition of open ball about P about point P with radius R is open ball about P with radius R is equal to set of x belong to x such that distance between x and P is less than R. Okay, this is the definition of open ball. Using this definition, we solve these problems. Here, P is equal to 0.0, 0 and R is equal to 1. Radius is 1. Okay, radius is 1. Therefore, open ball about 0.00 with radius 1 is equal to set of order pair x is equal to x is equal to order pair x1 comma x2 belong to R2 such that distance between x1 comma x2 and 0 comma 0 is less than 1. Why? Our x is this div x is order pair x1 comma x2 and p is this 0.00 and r is equal to 1. Only we put values of x and p and r in our definition of open ball. Okay, this is definition of open ball. Therefore, open ball about point 00 and radius 1 is equal to set of x1 comma x2 belong to R2 such that distance between x1 order pair x1 comma x2 and 0.00 bracket complete is less than 1 is equal to set of order pair x1 comma x2 belong to R2 such that by definition of our matrix dxy we get here this is root of 9 into x1 minus 0 bracket square plus 16 into x2 minus 0 bracket square is less than 1. Since Our definition of dxy is equal to under root 9 into x1 minus y1 bracket square plus 16 into x2 minus y2 bracket square. This is our definition. Okay, here x1 is x1 and y1 is 0. Using this formula we get this quantity is equal to set of order pair x1 comma x2 belong to R2 such that 9 under root 9x1 square plus 16x square x2 square is less than 1. Taking square we get is equal to set of order pair x1 comma x2 belong to R2 such that 9x1 square plus 16x2 square is less than 1 is equivalent to order pair x1 x2 belong to R2 such that x1 square upon 1 upon 9 plus x2 square upon 1 upon 16 is less than 1, which is equal to set of order pair x1 comma x2 belong to R2 such that x1 square divided by 1 by 3 square plus x2 square divided by 1 by 4 bracket square is less than 1. This is our set of open ball about 0,0 with radius 1. Okay. Open ball about 0,0 with radius 1 is equal to set of order pair x1 comma x2 belong to R2 such that x1 square divided by 1 upon 3 square plus x2 square upon 1 upon 4 square is less than 1. This quantity is look like as